Good morning, friends. This is the Swarup Ghosh from Stock Show Deck. Hope every one of you are well and safe. Nifty and Bank Nifty बहुत volatile हो गया है, so the volatility has increased multifold. Meanwhile, I just wanted to give you advance information that all our products will be available on rental usage basis, super advanced, including super advanced indicators. And we are also, as usual, we are giving this service of stock diagnosis, and I'm also available on Twitter. Please follow me in Twitter. And whenever you want to know something or you want to interact with me, you have a free Zoom meeting you can set up with me. Okay, just give me a call, and probably I would be able to really help you what you exactly need. Okay. Now, on the Gantt sheet part, this is really a super duper thing, and this is a pure intraday kind of thing, and this is performing superbly, and people who are actually using this, we have given these videos in the description box. So this is basically a game changer, life changer, and also along with that, हम लोग क्या करेंगे? अभी ये आया नहीं है अभी तक, ये ज्ञान की टाइम साइकिल एनालिसिस हम लोग किया है। तो ज्ञान टाइम साइकिल एनालिसिस में ना ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा पास डेट आ जाता है, लाइक on a 10th, that is tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a two dimensional impact on Nifty, because we have selected Nifty here. We have selected Nifty here from the drop down menu. So we have a drop down menu. We can always select anything you like, and automatically all these things would be replicated here. Okay. So according to that, 10th of January is a very, very important date where we have a time price squaring and a Pythagoras. According to Pythagoras, there will be a big change. So basically, this is where the time cycle will be balancing out. Okay. So these kind of things we are actually training in the market. So and then we have different kind of indicators, like this is our usual stock show indicator, and these are the things which are all available for sale for father son technique, your RSIs, which actually generates bars to really make you alert, so that you can easily do a trading. And even if you are in a lower time frame, you can take a view on based on higher time frame. And you also have an advanced scanner. This is a very, very popular scanner. So this scanner is also available for usage on rent. And this is the mother of all. This is a price volume scanner, explosive price volume scanner. And here you have the ability to select whatever you want to select. Okay, it is your choice. Okay, so this is a very, very beautiful scanner. So these everything is on sale. So you have to just contact me for all these things. Okay. Now if you look at some of our scanners, this is the only scanner. This is a very, very, very powerful scanner, which actually tells you what is going to happen in Nifty. Now if you look at Nifty daily chart, let's say, so if you go to daily chart, Nifty has actually started showing a bullish trend, but it is actually generating your doji signal. So but it is in a positive zone, so we are not really worried about Nifty at this moment. Okay. So if you look at the hourly chart of Nifty, again at hourly chart, your future prediction is it will be taking a little bit of correction. So I am expecting maybe at this level, 17 680, and if it breaks, then probably so for 17474 and all those, unless there is a huge gap down. And if the gap down happens, then accordingly the levels would be automatically drawn here. And and it actually generates signals as you go, and it also gives you the relay system, so that it helps you to take good trade. Like, this is where, 15 minutes chart at 1500 hours, you have a, positive, buying signal. So therefore, it has actually given a confirmation, but I will be taking a buy signal only when I actually sail through this canal. So if there is a gap up above the canal, I will definitely buy. This is how the uh, this particular indicator, this is a super advanced indicator which works. Okay, then we have another indicator. If you switch it off, then this is basically again indicator, which actually puts you levels here, तो कहाँ जाना है, क्या करना है. लाइक यहाँ से अगर निफ्टी जाएगा तो 17,899 तो सीधा दिखा रहा है, एंड बीच में ये वाला एक important line है. And these are all automatic. I don't have to do anything. And whenever you see this kind of signals generates this, almost it's 100% hit. Okay. So I am waiting here for that kind of signal, that is that to get generated. So if you look at the daily chart also, but it also gives you signal on daily chart. So therefore in the daily charts, if you look at, it has already generated the signal. So we can do the trade fearlessly. So for intraday, you can always change it to 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and see in every walk you will get signals automatically. After getting the signal, you see uh, what has happened. So this is this is another, highly sensitive kind of GAN technique. That's I use these two very frequently, mixing this one and the spatial pattern, so that it gives me a flavor of the entire trade, that I get dollar and other things. So this is something that I teach normally, and all these things are now available with you. Now and you have another I also mix another GAN fan angle. So GAN fan angle, basically these are the, if we switch off the other part of it, GAN fan angle actually, it actually draws from all time day high, all time high, and all those. So but this is another technique basically. So we mix all these things, but primarily the two parts of it, that is, if you use these two, I think that is good enough for you to make money very easily. And it also draws levels and everything. So I need levels, right? So therefore, if I see that, you see why, incidentally, if you see the candle, you know black candle, it also acts as a very deep resistance of 17,872. Okay, so these levels comes up as you go. It's a 5 minutes chart, so therefore if you go to 15-minute chart, accordingly everything would be redrawn. You don't have to do anything, just you have to select one time frame and then start trading. This is where there is a resistance 17,945. So therefore resistance and support will do their job, and we have to take trade appropriately. Now we have traded on Titan, so I will show you Titan. Now Titan on the daily chart, if you look at, this is a very huge kind of rally. Now करना क्या है इसमें, you see, this is the basic principle. This is a kind of let's look at the volume. Now after a rally, if you look at a very big high volume, it's a kind of shooting star. Shooting star, not perfect, but it is a shooting star. Number one. Second thing is, it's a double top. So once you have a double top and a shooting star, and the volume is increasing high, so that means this is where a profit booking has happened, and this is where exactly we shorted at 2640. We could not short it here. We have shorted in our line 26, in fact 2640, and then you can always take a ride from 2640. It has gone to 2572, and we are already holding the short position. Okay, so now if you look at the hourly chart, just see at hourly chart, when it has given at 9:15 this signal, you know this is where we shorted, and we will continue with the short. Why? Because again now the confirmation has come. How did we had to short it here? Very basic principle, that there is a big rejection at top, and I have already shown you that it's a double top. Okay, so if you look at 15-minute chart, you look at the meters. Okay, so now it is all coming down, it's not weak, but definitely it is taking a good corrections from the top. So we want to ride the top, and once it reaches around the red level zone, then we will be getting out of it. So dear friends, basically this is all about it. You have the ability now to get the skinners on rent, and skinners on rent, then your indicators on rent. So, and you get this kind of advanced software, so so that you can adopt it according to your trading habits. So this is CS Arup Ghosh from Stock Direct. Bye bye for now.